All right, happy Tuesday, you guys. Happy first day of February. What's going on? Pre-market prep. Wow, it's going to be a big day today. I think the markets are just running up in a couple reasons, right? Number one, it's if we just look at QQQ, it's running towards the moving average 200. So we fell below that about a couple weeks ago, and so 365.90 is the current moving average 200. So it looks like it wants to break that at the bell, and I think it's running up in anticipation that a lot of the techs are going to do great on the Q4 earnings report this week, right? So we've been talking about that. Today is a big day, of course. Number one, UPS beat. Okay, well, they're not really considered tech, but they beat this morning. ExxonMobil beat as well. We have AMD, Google, Alphabet, and PayPal in the after hours. Those are the three big names, and so we'll see how they. I'm pretty sure that the market is correct that they will beat. Now the question is, will the market sell it off at kind of sell the news events? Or will it keep running? And that's the big question. Nobody knows. Obviously, they have to be very handsomely, not just that, but also or exceed expectations, but also guidance is going to be critical in terms of where the market decides to go after hours today. So I'm going to play most likely AMD and Google. So if we look at the Q, moving average 200, making it back. If that breaks and we continue to move forward, yeah, there's going to be some resistance at 371, 365. This point of control daily VWAP is about 374. Hey, who knows where the market might go? But I would assume that there's some resistance at the moving average 200 to fall back and reattempt to break that moving average 200. I just don't think today is just going to be like a 20 point or 10, 15 point swing like yesterday. So we'll see where that goes. So let's check out the AMD chart though that I'm thinking about here. So we broke above the moving average 200 on the daily. Yesterday's running up here in the pre-market. Some critical levels to watch is the 116 was already broke 117. So it looks like we're going to gap up and fill this gap to the 118 level, okay, on AMD. And Lucid. Neo delivered their delivery numbers today, and they missed on. They have declining deliveries month over month, but Neo seems to be doing okay even with that news. But Lucid and Tesla is certainly to watch there. Lucid broke above the moving average 200 yesterday, which is great, and we got a bit of a gap to fill here. So definitely Lucid is worth scalping today. Netflix. I want to talk about Netflix. Look at this crazy gap it wants to fill back up to the 500 level at 432.99. I think this is a good scalp today as well, Netflix. And a couple things, other things I'm looking at. Besides that is, of course, there's going to be Google after hours as well. But again, broke over the moving average 200. Looks like the Q will, and looks like and SPY already did yesterday. So market's sitting kind of pretty. I like it. Definitely very directional. However, just be cautious out there with your plays. The market is still very, very volatile right now, and it would be not advisable to throw in a bunch of capital, but just watch for the right setups and scalp away. All right. So with that being said, we do have spots open at therockTradingCode.com. If you visit the website, you can sign up there if you'd like to join us. All right. So with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow.